Hey guys, it's Kyle Mac98, and I have a Topps Marquee Hobby Box Break for you today. I've been waiting for this for a long time, so let's get started. Do you like my safety scissors? Whenever it works. But it's my second box of Marquee, because I like the first one so much. You might have seen my recap. If not, go watch it. I'll put a link. So hopefully I get something good. Okay, I'll just go from, okay, I'll do the light ones first, because those are usually the, okay, I'll just do this one first, whatever. This one's pretty light, so this is probably just the on-card auto. I've been waiting for this for so long, I'm so excited. Okay. Pack 1. Topps Marquee. This is probably my favorite product, by the way. I'm not gonna look at the name in the back, because actually I already saw it, so too late. It's probably the Titanic threads, actually. So I'll pull the first one. Sorry, you can't really. Okay. Roy Camp Noah to 199. Second, I gotta find some spot to put it down. Buster Posey, Adrian Gonzalez, Clayton Kershaw, and I'll slide it. Oh God, this is a bad start. Tyson, oh my God, that's probably the worst thing I could have pulled. Oh, that sucks. Okay, well. That's what happened last time, though, too. I got a bad on-card auto, and then I got the Cal Ripken out of run of 10, so hopefully the same thing happens. I was just talking about that yesterday. That the worst thing I could have pulled is a Tyson Ross, and I got a Tyson Ross, so I'm at a 600 if you couldn't see that. I'm just going to open all the boxes first, so I can see if any of them are thick. This one's pretty thick. It's not a good start. It's disappointing. Well, I got that one out of the way, though, at least. You guys can skip ahead if you don't want to see this. Alright, so these two are really thick, so I'm going to do this one. So this is probably the Titanic threads. Those are probably actually my favorite, so. Pack 2, or box 2, pretty much. Ooh, Sandy Koufax. Hopefully it's low numbered. Okay. Sandy Koufax out of 299. Nelson Cruz. Mel Ott. King Felix, and 99. Oh, it looks, I don't know, that could be old. Oh, nice. That's nice. I do not know how to say his name, honestly. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how to say his name. It's old though. That's nice. Numbered at a 99. It could have been lower number, but still a nice card. I don't know. That's cool though. Some creases up there. That's sick. So that's better than the Tyson Ross. Hopefully we get something good here. Pack 3. That's really thick. Oh, nice. I've been wanting one of these. I mean, not Jose Reyes because he's a Mets, but from the Mets. But Jose Reyes had a 99. Where did that? Okay, right there. Carlos Santana. Kevin Youkilis, Josh Johnson, and Pablo Sandoval. I can already see that. That's pretty nice, I guess. 125. 2 bat. I think that's, yeah, that's 2 bat, 2 jersey. 125. It's pretty nice. And last box, box 4. Nothing too good in this box, but still pretty nice. So, okay, Josh Johnson on a 299. Where is that? Okay, right there. Matt Kemp, Joey Votto,